Are you tired of those sneezes catching you off guard, especially at the most inconvenient moments? Number 1. Squeeze your nose. Catch the part of your nose above the tip and stretch it out as if you are removing your nose out of your face. It should not be painful, but simply stretch out your cartilage, stopping the sneeze. Number 2. Blow your nose. Use a tissue and blow your nose when you feel a sneeze coming on. It should clear your sinuses of what caused the sneeze in the first place. Number 3. Pinch your upper lip. Using your thumb and forefinger, pinch your upper lip lightly and press it upward toward your nostrils. Your thumb should head toward one nostril and your forefinger toward the other, bunching up your upper lip slightly. Number 4. Use your tongue. Press your tongue behind your 2 front teeth, where the roof of your mouth meets the gum palate or alveolar ridge. Press hard with your most powerful muscles against your teeth until the tickling sensation dissipates. Number 5. Get ticklish. Tickle the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue when you feel the sneeze coming on. Continue until the urge to sneeze dissipates. This should take 5 to 10 seconds. Number 6. Distract yourself with your hands. Spread the thumb of one hand away from the fingers. Using the sharp edges of the nails on the thumb and index finger of your other hand, pinch the flap of skin between the spread thumb and the fingers. Number 7. Grab the spot between your eyebrows. This is a pressure point that some grab to stop a headache, and it can work with sneezes, too. With your thumb and forefinger, pinch between your eyebrows until you feel a substantial amount of pressure. Number 8. Pinch under your nose. With the side of your forefinger, hand held horizontally beneath your eyes, press into the cartilage on your nose, just beneath the bone of the bridge of your nose. This will pinch one of the nerves involved in triggering a sneeze. Number 9. Put light pressure on your ears. Wiggle your earlobe gently as you feel a sneeze coming on. This can be masked as looking like you are playing with an earring or something if you're stifling a public sneeze. Number 10. Use black seed, black cumin. You can buy this online or at your local vitamin/herb shop. Take a handful and wrap it in a cloth, handkerchief, washcloth, etc. Then roll it in your hand to break it up a little bit. Hold this next to your nose and inhale it for a few breaths. Your sneezing should clear right up.